और इस जर्नी को मैं अपने स्टार्टअप पे जाके पिच कर सकता हूँ ताकि ये फुल बिजनेस बन सके। बिजनेस इज नथिंग, इट्स लाइक प्रोडक्ट खरीदा और बेच दिया। दैट्स द थिंग YFS मुझे ये चीज़ सिखाया।
And it is such a great experience, and I believe that everybody should try this at least once in their lifetime. YFS is inculcating confidence and conduct in me.
YFS is not just a summit or something like that. It is an incubator center. You enter as a kid or an egg on the first day, and then on the third day, you bloom as a star. And now you all can see I'm dominating here just because of YFS. Thank you, YFS. Love you.